With the Aerodrome merger coming right around the corner, we are seeing everything kind of fall into place for Aero and the token. Guys, I'm super excited to be talking about the main liquidity provider on the base ecosystem. And if you guys are new to this channel, my name is Ro. I've been talking about crypto every single day here on this channel. So if you're new, all I ask in return is that you guys stay until the end of this video. If you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm super excited to be talking about this coin because we've been covering it for a while. It's up over 100% in the past little bit. So let's get into today's video, guys. And yeah, super exciting news to talk about. First of all, we're going to cover the entire crypto market right now, which isn't looking the greatest. Okay, we're having a little bit of a pump, but I'm here to remind you guys that June and July is typically a time in the market where we see crypto kind of have some strength, especially in this bear market year. Now, this is the main year that Bitcoin is going to make a new low, and in that year, historically, what we've seen is that Bitcoin is going to show signs of strength in June and July. Now, I do want to point out this one post from Benjamin Cohen to you guys, because a lot of people have been saying, the Bitcoin cycles are done, the 4-year cycles are not a thing anymore, and that it is going to end. Listen, guys, I'm here to tell you that couldn't be further from the truth. Okay, I myself was someone who never believed in the cycles, but then when you live through it, and this is my third one that I'm going into, again, guys, it's going to show you why Bitcoin is an algorithm, and you're better off betting against something or betting on something than opposed to betting against it, especially if it's proven to work. I did not always believe in the 4-year cycle for Bitcoin. I used to think it was silly and that the market had more, it was more complicated than that. But the market proved me wrong. So I admitted I was wrong, learned from my mistakes, and became a better investor. This cycle, a lot of new Bitcoiners faded the 4-year cycle and relentlessly mocked anyone calling for the bear markets. For many of them, instead of recognizing that they were wrong, they continue to laugh at anyone willing to discuss the simplicity of the 4-year cycles. They are likely doomed to repeat the same mistakes in the future, and since their ego gets in the way of being able to admit that they were wrong, they're probably just going to end up getting wrecked again. Now, we're talking about Aerodrome Finance today, and in the last couple months, one of the only few projects that is actually showing signs of strength. I told you guys before, I made videos on Aerodrome, that this is one of the few projects that I'm actually really bullish on as a decentralized exchange, as a DEX, a main liquidity provider for Base, which Base is the native ecosystem for Coinbase. The stars just align for Aerodrome Finance to be a top performing coin, to be a top performing altcoin. That is why, guys, I'm here to present to you Aerodrome Finance and talk to you guys about all the bullish things that are kind of coming down the pipeline for this thing, right? So let's talk about a few right now. The first one's being, the price rise with a 35 almost percent gain within the last couple days, to $39.30 million in trading volume, confirming buyer conviction. So this follows a strong 7-day performance of almost 30%, suggesting sustained capital rotation into the Base ecosystem and confirming this as the main liquidity hub for Base. The move is validated by the organic trading activity rather than isolated speculation, pointing towards genuine demand for Aero's utility. Now, the broader crypto market is also pumping up a little bit. Like I said, guys, June, July, usually crypto shows a little bit of sign of strength. We can see Ethereum pumping 15% in the last week, Ethereum pumping 9%, which are all really good things. Momentum is positive right now, but this requires ongoing volume confirmation to continue. Now, the immediate trend is bullish, but extended. The key trigger is the sustainability of the volume spike. If Aero could hold above the 0.55 level, then we are in good hands. Right now, the path of least resistance points towards a challenging recent high near 0.63, which is around here, right, which we said back in January. A failure to hold the 0.55 level, coupled with, if we have shrinking volume as well, could trigger a pullback towards the 0.5 to 0.52 region, which is right around here. So momentum is positive, but again, like I said, it requires ongoing volume to continue this kind of upward trend that we are having. And you guys should watch for a close above 0.63 on high volume, because this could signal a potential breakout into a new range. So with that being said, guys, let's keep talking about it because Aerodrome Finance isn't just dominating Coinbase's network, it's executing a structural overhaul. Now, what exactly does this mean? The July Aero merger, right? Dromos Labs is merging Aerodrome and Velodrome into a single unified cross-chain protocol called AERO. The goal is to eliminate liquidity fragmentation across the layer 2 of across Ethereum's layer 2 superchain to directly challenge Uniswap and Curve. The platform's targeted buyback program has officially hit 190 million AERO tokens, drastically reducing circulating floats ahead of the multi-chain migration. Now, there's also positive allocation upgrade launching alongside the merger in July 2026. Aerodrome is permanently ditching backwards-looking weekly gauge voting. The new model, liquidity incentives will be allocated in real time based on prediction market dynamics that forecast future trading demand. Dromo's last projects that shift will unlock up to 80% increase in capital efficiency, creating a highly responsive environment optimized for algorithmic traders and AI agents. Now, before we get into the next one, guys, I do want to say this is the time that you want to be a part of a community because, like I said, June, July is going to show signs of strength. But come August, September, October, that 3 month period is what I'm honestly super excited for. I'm looking forward to that because we are going to be presented with so many buying opportunities, and you guys do not want to miss out on the buy and sell alerts that we are going to send. Not to mention, I'm sending out a buy alert today because I'm finally back, guys. Want to see another World Cup game? But listen, tune in to the inner circle. This is my private Discord community. You guys get access for 25% off if at checkout you use the code 25 off. I'll see you guys inside of the inner circle, guys. Make sure you click the link down below and join up. But let's take a look. Let's keep going. Well, before that, actually, there was one more thing here. Aerodrome operates as a zero-leak economy where 100% of generated swap fees flow straight to locked vAero participants, backed by over $17 billion in 30-day DEX volume. The protocol recently reported a high watermark of 938,000 in weekly revenue, fully distributed back to token holders. The bottom line is that AERO is evolving from a single-chain liquidity hub into an aggressive, AI-ready deflationary index for the entire superchain ecosystem. July's rollout is the make-or-break execution window. Now, is Base Layer 2 the new money-making chain? Aerodrome, which is built on Base, has now generated a whopping $522 million in cumulative free fee protocols. In the last month alone, AERO has generated more than $9 million in fees, boasting a current TVL, total value locked, of nearly 319 million dollars. I can't speak for some reason, guys. Net value flows show AERO already generating more protocol revenue than Uniswap over the last 180 days, despite a far smaller market cap. Oh my god. This is an early signal of the scaling power ahead with Aerodrome Finance. Remember, this focuses on incentive alignment, value retention, and forward looking allocation differentiates it from other DEX models, which is why I believe this setup will be rewarding participants who think in multi-year horizons and understand mechanism design. I do believe, guys, that in the next cycle, we are going to see Aerodrome absolutely blow past $1 billion market cap. I think it already got to about 2.5 or maybe just under 1, maybe just under 2 billion. But I'm telling you guys, next cycle, this thing is easily getting to Uniswap levels. Personally anticipating a bullish Q3 to 4 for AERO. In my opinion, it's just the best place to trade on Base. With its expansion, it can be the best place to trade anywhere. Let's get Ethereum first. The flip for token revenue above Uniswap has already started happening. Cannot wait for the future of Aerodrome. If you guys are bullish on this token, then you need to be considered to this channel for more upgrades or for more updates. Sorry, I can't talk right now, guys. Your boy is sick. Just got back from an absolute crazy road trip to New York to watch the Brazil game. With that said, guys, make sure you join the inner circle as well if you want all of my buy and sell calls. As always, this is not financial advice. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, guys, and peace out.